How to fix Venmo app not opening. If the Venmo app isn't opening, there could be various reasons. The first thing to do is to check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. Then once you've done that, if Venmo app is still not opening, long press the Venmo app icon on Android. If you're using on Android, tap on the I button to come to the app info page. Then tap on force stop button for once. Go to storage usage, clear cache, and also clear the data of the application. Clearing the data will log you out of your account, by the way, so you have to re-log in again. If you're using iPhones, you can just try to offload the app. Now go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Venmo, check if the app has an update. If it has an update, then make sure to update it to the latest version, and after you've done that, you can also try to go ahead and then restart your device. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.